Having my little brother's birthday party here today.
That's exciting.
Yeah, it is, yeah. They should be here pretty soon.
I like your hat.
Oh, thanks. Yeah. I got some hats and I got him his favorite present.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, I got him a PlayStation.
Like that.
Yeah. Oh, there he is now. Oh, do me a favor. Watch this. I don't want him to see it. Nope. Hey, Tim! Timmy! Those are my little brother's presents, and you were going to take them? Ha! Take that! How was that? It's so hot today, but it's going to be such a fun day. Ooh, the hat. It's my little brother's birthday today. I got him a PlayStation and all his favorite games. He's going to be so excited. We're going to do it right here. Oh, there he is. Could you watch this for me, please? I don't want him to see. Okay. Timmy! Timmy!
What the hell?
Oh. That was my brother's birthday present you've taken. Hi.
How are you doing today?
Good.
Someone's birthday or what?
Yeah, my nephew's. Yeah.
How old is he turn?
He's gonna be 11.
11?
Yeah, we're gonna have a surprise birthday for him today.
Nice, nice.
And I got him all his favorite video games. Oh, there he is. There he is. Hey, do me a favor. Watch these for me. Billy! Hey, Billy! Oh, that wasn't yours.
Oh, what the?
That's what you get. Take other people's stuff.